Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, let us talk about something we all know is important, but maybe do unthink about deeply enough: our health. We often hear health is wealth, but what does that really mean? It's not just about avoiding sickness. Health is the very foundation of our entire lives. Without it, everything else, our ambitions, our happiness, our ability to enjoy even the simplest moments, just fades into the background. When we think of getting healthy, our minds jump to strict diets or intense workout plans. But true health is so much more than that. It's a delicate balance between our physical body, our mental state, and our emotional well-being. Every single choice we make, from the food we eat and the air we breathe to the thoughts we entertain in our minds, shapes our overall state of being. The tricky part about health is that you can't always see it. It's not like looking in the mirror and seeing a new haircut. It's an invisible force that you feel in every fiber of your being. You feel it when you wake up energized, when you can think clearly, and when you can handle life's challenges with a calm mind. It's the difference between just surviving and truly thriving. That's why a good health slogan can be so powerful. Think about it. A simple phrase can act as a daily reminder, a little nudge to prioritize yourself. Slogans like "Eat well, live well" are great because they re-simple and connect our daily choices to a bigger outcome. They shift the focus from restriction and rules to empowerment and opportunity. It's not about what you can't do. It's about what you gain when you take care of yourself. This also includes our mental health. A slogan like "Strong body, strong mind" highlights the incredible connection between physical activity and mental clarity. Moving your body isn't just for your muscles. It's one of the best things you can do for your brain. It helps reduce stress, improve your mood, and boost your energy. So, instead of seeing health as a chore, let's reframe it as an act of self-love. It's about nourishing your body, calming your mind, and building a life full of vitality and joy. What are some of your favorite health mottos that keep you going? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to read them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on living your best, healthiest life. See you next time.